What if your house were not made of walls, but of voids, spaces that make fear soften, the mind slow down, and the day feel lighter? This is the Longcave 2 in Cu Chi, in the Ho Chi Minh City region of Vietnam. A house on a long, narrow plot of 10 by 50 meters, the kind of lot that most often becomes a corridor with rooms lined up one after another. But here, the house chooses another path. The Longcave 2 was conceived as a place, not merely as a house, a refuge designed to empty anxiety and leave only what remains when the noise of the world fades: calm. And the concept that guides everything comes from an unexpected reference, the spatial section of Son Doong Cave, not as a literal copy, but as inspiration to create an experience where space feels larger than the sum of its walls. For this reason, the house does not reveal itself as a closed volume. It reveals itself as a sequence of voids. You step through the door and immediately feel something different, a space that seems wall-less, as if the architecture were more interested in creating breaths of air than dividing rooms. Instead of corridors, you encounter cavities, passages, varying heights, and cuts of light. And this is where the project becomes truly intelligent. Within the same area, the house creates different sections, and each section changes how your body feels in space. One stretch may feel lower, more sheltered, almost like a refuge. Another rises, breathes, and gives you air. Another extends, and you feel distance. This is not decoration. It is geometry producing emotion. This variation turns the narrow lot from something limiting into a journey, and the journey becomes a narrative. Throughout the house, the boundary between inside and outside begins to dissolve, not in the sense of everything open and exposed, but in a more subtle way. You never feel a rigid line separating interior from exterior. The house works with transitions, with intermediate spaces, with layers. And the main material that organizes everything is light. Light here does not enter in an obvious way. It is composed in zones. In some places, it arrives directly and defines clarity. In others, it enters indirectly and creates penumbra. This alternation separates spaces without the need for walls. Light, shadow, texture, silence. It is as if the house had a soundtrack made of brightness. When you realize this, you understand the name. The Longcave 2 is not just a long house. It is a house that behaves like a contemporary cave, a place where space envelops you, protects you, and makes you move with greater attention. A shelter that does not isolate you from the world, but returns you to it with more calm. In the end, this project proves a rare idea. Sometimes the most powerful architecture is not the one that creates a striking object on the land, but the one that creates an experience, a sequence of voids, of heights, of light, of transitions. A house where, at every step, space shifts in feeling, and you realize that the true luxury is not size, but the tranquility that space is able to produce.